Good day, class. Welcome to God's Time International Bilingual School online mathematics class. Today we are in first Jss3 week 4. Our topic is rational and irrational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are numbers that can be written in a fraction form. For example, numbers that can be written in this form 3/4. They are rational numbers. Numbers like 6 is a rational number. Why? Because it can be written in the form 6/1. So numbers that can be written in a fraction form is a rational number. Or even if they can be written in a decimal form, their decimal form should terminate, or it should have a reoccurring decimal point. For example, something like 3.427 is a rational number. Why? Because the decimal point has terminated. But once we have a situation whereby it does not terminate, like 6.4521763 it does not terminate, so it's not a rational number because the decimal point did not terminate. This will be this will be irrational numbers that their decimal point does not terminate are irrational numbers that cannot be written in a fraction form. They are irrational numbers. The numbers that cannot reoccur. For example, if we have something like this, 0.37337. This is a rational number. Why? Because the numbers are reoccurring. When you reach 7, as 3 come back, 7 comes again. As 3 come back, 7 come back. So it's a reoccurring. Another reoccurring is something like 2.5671. Then you still see 5671. You still see again. So this is a reoccurring number. So it becomes a rational number. But once it is not reoccurring, it becomes an irrational number. So let's take an example. Write 0.12 as a rational number. Rational number. To write this number as a rational number is to write it in a fraction form. Remember, rational numbers must be numbers that can be written in a fraction form, x/y form. So how do we write it? It means that change it to fractions. So 0.12 will be equals to what? You write the 12/1. Then how many decimal places? 1, 2. So 2 zeros. Now you look for numbers that can divide the up number and the down number without a remainder, the same number. If you look at it very well, you will see that 2 can divide here and here without a remainder. Another number that can divide here and here without a remainder is 4. 4 can divide here, 4 can divide here. So let's divide it by 4, the highest number. Divided by 4, divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 100 divided by 4 is 25. Now, no number can divide the up and the down number. That's the numerator and the denominator. So this becomes our final answer. That is the answer for this. Let's try number 2. Write 2.5 as a rational number. So this will be 2.5 is equals to, it's a decimal point. We are moving it to a fraction. So we'll write our 25. over 1. How many decimal point? 1 decimal point. So you just put your 10. So that will become 25 over 10. Now, which number can divide the numerator? Up number is the numerator. Down number is the denominator. Which number can divide the numerator and denominator without a remainder is 5. So we divide this by 5. You divide this by 5. Our answer will be 25 divided by 5 is 5. And 10 divided by this is 2. Nothing can divide. So that's our answer.